So I was home alone yesterday when a package arrived at the door. It was the Q9 USB studio microphone from Tonor. Inside the box you'll find a pop filter, an adjustable arm, the table clamp, the caging for the microphone itself, some foam to go over the microphone, and a USB cord that will connect your microphone to your laptop. The setup is very simple. You're going to take the desk clamp and clamp it to your desk. You're then going to insert the arm, adjust it to the height you'd like. Insert the microphone into the caging and attach the caging to the arm. Setting up the microphone with your computer is also very simple. You're just going to use a USB port. And so to walk you through it, I'm going to be using my Mac. In the beginning, you're going to click on the desktop menu and then click System Preferences. Find the sound button and click that. Then choose the input for Q9. Open up QuickTime, select New Audio Recording, and begin recording. So one downside I think with this mic is that the clamp isn't the most secure. And unfortunately for me, I didn't really have the best table surface to use, and so I had to kind of make my own. And I found the arm to swing around and get loose a lot. It does have a lot of clamps where you can tighten it, so that is a helpful feature. But just right off the bat, setting it up, it wasn't the most secure for me, and so I thought that was one quick downside. The entire microphone setup can be bought on Amazon for $54, so overall it's a pretty cheap option when it comes to microphones, and it does give you good sound quality. So it's a great option if this is the type of microphone that you're looking for. Hope you found this helpful. If you did just get this microphone or you're thinking of getting one, it is a good option for the price. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I do have a video coming up from a family vacation I took to Vermont, and then after that, my backpacking trip through Asia, and so I'm really excited to start sharing those with everyone and start the editing process myself, and so that's coming very soon.